Hi, this is just a quick recap video of this aircraft instrument display I did a teardown video on a while ago. It's actually a TCAS display using older aircraft that don't have glass cockpits to upgrade them to the TCAS facility. This one's been modified to turn it into a TCRD display, which was used on military helicopters. There's 3 circuit boards inside. There's some chips on that we couldn't identify last time, so I'm going to try and see what they are. I've got better lighting this time as well, so let's take it apart. For fuck's sake, okay, here's a side view with the cover removed. That 1000 volts is referring to the backlight on the LCD panel. The 200 volts will be the rectified 115 volt. The back 2 boards are power supply boards and DC to DC converters. On the front 3 boards is a symbol generator and CPU board, an analog board, and a board with an ASIC chip on. There's an ambient light sensor on the front there. That's used for automatically adjusting the screen brightness. It's very 1990s technology. In fact, the main CPU was actually using quite a lot of arcade cabinets in the early 1990s. Here's a standard 41 pin connector. It's all modular plug-in boards. Here's one of them removed. This one is the analog board. And those 3 chips I said before had the top centered off, but as you can see there, they're actually 74HC244s. Just see it in the light. Yeah, HCT244s. That one there, we'll have to scrape the conformal coating off. Okay, I've scraped off the conformal coating. It is, on the camera right, L0641. Okay, so it's a TL0641, which is our operational amplifier. Pretty much more of the same on the back. More analog multiplexers and more op amps. Yeah, there we go. Scrape some more conformal coating off. Okay, here's a CPU board. Right, we've got another Altera CPLD and a Texas Instruments TMS 34010, which, like I said earlier, is actually a CPU and a very early GPU combined, and it was used in a lot of old arcade machines. The Terminator 2 game is one example. Yeah, TMS 340. Oh no. The other chips there are just 74HC glue logic, as are these here. Get some RAM chips, 74HCT 373. There's some high resolution photos of these boards on my blog, which gives details as to what the chips are. And the other mystery chip is a programmable logic array. there are 2 chips on this which are identifiable. This is the ASIC board. These 2 gold chips there, those have definitely had the top sanded off. I suspect those 2 are the ARIC 429 interface chips. Either that or the MIL 1553, if that board's different to the TCAS version. Rest, yet, just 74HCT glue logic. I think that quite concludes it. Thanks for watching, and I'll put the link down to the original video below. Fucking next door neighbour's TV. Fucking does me head in.